and continue Liberia present the chef Chilangos.
Olis! Very good afternoon. Today, Lady Tad hosts more than watching a show, the Chef Chilangos. Today, we will introduce the simple recipe you can learn to prepare a delicious cheesecake with the help of our chef Janine. A round of
¡Bravo!
Hola, Omar.
Olis.
Or to see you are aging like the ingredients are ingredients for the molder base. Un sticket, butter, butter, the grains. One tube of biscuits, Marias. Ingredients for the filling: one cream cheese, 108 James, one can consent milk, two eggs, one quart cup lemon juice.
Bien. Preparation. Mash well and add cookies. Maris. The stick of butter at room temperature. Wait. Liberia, of course. Liberia. Maris. Collation?
No, porque un cuchillo.
Yes. Espérame tantitation. Ahorita vengo. Me encuentro el stick. Maria. Small trocito.
Proceed, Liberia. Cool. Yes.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Es lo que tú no sabes. Liquid duration.
Tienes que decir moler.
Okay. Mash well and add cookies, Maris, the stick of butter at room. Okay? The temperature. With your hand is join until you get a soft dough. Covers the bottom and sides of a pie pan. Okay.
And put it the butter Iberia.
Station.
Oh yes. Butter, butter, butter.
With your hand is joining until you get a soft dough covers bottom and sides of a pie pan. Put in the cooker for 5 at 10 minutes.
Yeah,
To give your hand costrita. With the biscuit and butter. Ahorita. Hands. Water. Water hace. Salvo. Hay salvation.
Go for Garhab at commercial.
Then empty the liquid to the base pan and put it back in the oven for 30 minutes.
Yes. Delicious. Riquísimo.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. It's delicious. Nice.
Dale.
Bien. Pesadillo.
Pesadillo.
Ok. Luego el hornito. Perenation. Me voy a quemar sello.
Precaución.
Hot.
Hot, muy hot.
150 drinks.
Delicious pie de can accompanied with grandma's chocolate. Chocolate.
Milk condensate.
Cheese.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Cheese cream.
Donation.
Tradition. Lemon juice. Juice. Dos eggs.
Two.
That's
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Ay, perdón, estaba vibrando. Come on. Let's go,
Oh,
eggs. Ouch.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yes.
Okay. A molar and a manipulator. Oh yes.
primero que
Okay. Delicious un pequeño pie. Cheesecake.
Cool the pie and take it to the refrigerator. Before, you can cut into the slices to serve. And you can tell this recipe of cheesecake is very easy to do, but most of all delicious.
Iberia, present de Chef Chilangos.